Hello guys, welcome back to this World Olympiad Mathematics. Today, day 128, day by day workouts. Thank you so much all the subscribers and viewers, newcomers. Please subscribe this and send it to all over the world. World number one YouTube platform for this Olympiad type problem solving. බොහොම ස්තුතියි හැමෝටම. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම නன்றි. අද 128 වෙනි දවස දිගටම වැඩ අපි Olympiad maths or challenging questions කොහොමද face කරන්නේ කොහොමද ස්කූල් මට්ටමින් ජය ගන්නේ පළාත් provincial zonal කලාප ඒ වගේ දිගටම ඕන විභාගයක් පෙර සූදානම. So thank you so much හැමෝටම subscribe කරන්න මේක ළමයි සර්ලා මැඩම්ලා all over හැමෝටම යවන්නත් පුළුවන්. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම නன்றி. இது ஒரு வளைய மட்டம் மாகாண மட்டம் தேசிய மட்டம் national international type of problem solving உச்ச பயன்பாட்டு பெறுவீர். Okay, to come back to the question, both two algebraic problems. See this one, if a equals square root 2 minus square root 3 and b equals square root 3 minus square root 5 and c equals square root 5 minus square root 2, right? Then find this solution. A simple technique, tricky problem, not straightforward. සමහර මේක දෙක්ක ගම්ම ගොඩාක් බය හිතෙනවා ළමයි බිය වෙනවා රොම්බ බයமா இருக்கும் பிள்ளைகள். But once you work start කරාම උත්තර එනවා. ඇති අර ක්‍රම අනුකූල ඥාන. Okay. Some see there's a question, simplicity. A square plus a, b square plus b, c square plus c, and the remaining below other two parts summation. මේ උඩ නැති අනිත් දෙක එකතු වෙනවා නේද? b නැතුව a and c, c ඉල්ලාமல் a யும் b யும் கூட்டப்பட்டுள்ளது. Okay, ළමයි see my method. Can I take the a out? a පොදු වඩන කරාස a අපි සාධක දෙනුම භාවිතාවන් ගන්න b plus c, okay? And take the b out. Then again b plus 1 over a plus c, right? Here take the c out, then c plus 1 over a plus b, okay? So once you know the answer b plus c, a plus c, a plus b agaya puluwanna. See from the given data, what is a plus b plus c? Poddak e gana hitamuda api. Don't go api sampradaya purva prashna a wenuwata adesha karanawa. B ki badila paradidratha, substitute for c value and simplify, expand. A long work podak amaru apita boring tiyala api gedara yanawa ekko wena weda. So technique, think why they give such a value podda tunama ekatu karana lamai. A plus b plus c answer, root 2 minus root 2 cancel, root 3 minus root 3 cancel. Okkama wow. A plus B plus C 0 පොඩ්ඩක් ඒවත් කල්පනා කරමු අපි. So my target මම දෙතරම කිව්වා මගේ මේ ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රයට මේ ප්‍රශ්නට උත්තර සපයන්න නෙවෙයි. Similar problem come in future, you have to answer that expectation. Not only for this question, itu මට්ටමල්ල. Okay, therefore come back. A into A plus 1. What is B plus C? Minus A. Minus a. Here plus b into b plus 1. What is a plus c? A plus c minus b. Plus c into c plus 1. What is a plus b lamai? Minus c tani. Onna vede. Therefore the answer is show here. See a cancel. Minus into a plus 1. Okay. B cancel. Minus into b plus 1, yes. C cancel, minus into c plus 1, right? So can you simplify? Take the minus out. A plus b plus c, and minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3. Is it? So what is the answer? This is 0 minus 3, okay? So solution minus 3. A little bit difficult nawai, lesit nawai. More suit for the junior Olympiad or Cat 1 wagela might school level exams. Okay, come back and the algebra problem. A equals square root 2 root 2. A equal to root 2. Find this value. third root a cube plus 6a square plus 12a plus 8 plus square root of a square minus 4a plus 4. This also similar type of problem. Don't go straightly to apply. කෙලින්ම අරගෙන ආදේශ කරන්ට ගියා නම් එතනම ඉන්ට වෙනවා. So think a modified pattern. What is inside? இந்த கனமூல முள்ளுக்கு என்ன இருக்குது? What is මේක කොහේ හරි දෙකපු මූණක් නෙවෙයිද? இது எங்கேயாவது கண்ட முகம் மாதிரி இல்லையா? දෙකපු මුහුණක් නේද? A cube plus 8 here. 2 cube is 8. This is my binomial expansion. Grade 11 ළම හොඳටම දන්නවා යාලා. A plus 2 cube. Refer your a plus b cube. A cube plus 3a square plus 3ab square plus b cube. A plus 2 cube tama make. And come here back to this one. Square root. What it is? Grade 10 ළමයි හොඳටම දන්නවා. This is a minus 2 සම්පූර්ණ වර්ග නේද? ඔන්න වැඩේ ඉවරයි. So the third root of a plus 2 cube, answer third root, therefore a plus 2 plus square root answer plus or minus. Actually a minus 25 na answer 5, 36 answer 6, 100 answer 10. So a minus 2 api vargamoola a minus 2 inside. Or you can put the mod sign also, modulus danawa danna part positive only කියලා ගන්නට. A plus a 2a answer plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So my 2a answer, what is 2 times of a? 4 times square root 2. හොඳයි නේද? So more suited for junior type or the basic foundation level of Olympiad contest school exams. Okay. Thank you so much, Yogis. Get a full opportunity. I have worked nearly 285 problems, which is all day 128. Day 2 question. Some days 1 problem. All type of Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3. International Olympiad. Harder problem. Easy, tricky question. Digatama Balapurtu and the straightly come to your doorstep. If you press that bell icon and subscribe and share all over the world and subscribe பண்ணி அனைவருக்கும் அனுப்புங்கள் எமோட்டமை அவண்ட போம ஸ்தோத்தி. We'll see next time with another attractive video series, problem series to the calculus, algebra, geometry, trigonometry or tricky part of questions. Okay, thank you.